Good afternoon, railroad fans, Cajon Pass. Hope everybody had a good Monday. I'm just hanging out here with the petunias, relaxing, getting ready to do some editing. I got some really good train action today for you. Caught one train in 4 different locations. Hit the grand slam on that, so make sure you check it out. In the meantime, I picked up a lot of really good train action with some auto racks, manifest trains, and of course some intermodals. Some construction going on around the sides, so make sure you check them all out. Subscribe to the channel. That's the most important thing you can do. Share with your friends. Give us that big thumbs up. Hey, we love you guys, and we will catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye. Hey, railroad fans, Cajon Pass, main track number 3, westbound. We got a Union Pacific. Might be a coal train, we'll see. Happy Tuesday morning. It's just a manifest, I guess. ES44 DC on the Norfolk Southern. Yeah, it's just a heavy junk train. When I say heavy, I mean heavy. There's Missouri Mopac Screaming Eagle saw blade there. There's a saw blade without the eagle. There's the saw blade and the eagle. The old Mopac. I love that logo. Nice cars. Big rolls of metal here. Old Northwestern. Golden West. SSW. It's a mighty beautiful train here. Really a mixed freighter. And everything on here except for auto racks yet. You might see a couple of those, you never know. We're running out of train. Too bad. Oh well. LPG right there. Liquefied petroleum gas. Non-odorized. We have a subscriber named Kennedy. And they know quite a bit about all this stuff. So hopefully they'll start chiming in more and more. Great information. I and everybody else sure appreciate it. And that goes for all you other guys that can chime in and put your 2 cents in and have a nice discussion, and that way we all can learn. All right, rail fans, Cajon Pass. I know you like what you saw there. Hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Get those notifications. That way you never miss any of the great videos. We have super chat, super thanks. Help us out on those if you can. If you want to go a little bit further, you can go to Patreon. It's a trusted site where you can support your favorite creators. So hopefully we're one of those. And anyway, we love you, and we're going to catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hey, watch a few more.